No, I'm good. I think so. It's good. It's not on fire. It just overheated. F me, dude.
Neglect from those in charge has always been a slow-burning fuse. A skipped inspection here, a silenced warning there, all in the name of saving time, or more importantly, money. History has shown where that path often tends to go. In 1976, the Savesno disaster in Italy spread toxic dioxin across the entire town after safety alarms were ignored. In 1989, the Exxon Valdez oil spill coated Alaska's coast in millions of gallons of crude because of fatigue, shortcuts, and poor oversight. And in 1995, the Kobe earthquake in Japan revealed how years of non-up-to-par construction standards turned buildings into death traps.
During the Kobe earthquake, at locations on solid rock, the shaking lasted 20 seconds. On the reclaimed land, it went on for 2 or even 3 minutes.
You'd think after decades of progress and improved technology that such negligence would be a thing of the past, but it isn't. Even today, with more knowledge and advancements than ever before, the same carelessness still finds its way through the cracks, and when it does, it often leads to significant loss of life.
Yeah, we're dangerous.
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming.
Wow! I think we are dead.
In a quiet industrial zone of Hwasong in South Korea stood a factory built to power the modern world. The Aricel Lithium Factory Fire had rows upon rows of lithium batteries stacked like bricks of energy, each one destined for devices and machines that never sleep. On paper, it was a symbol of progress. In reality, it was a workplace stretched thin by pressure and deadlines. Quality issues were noted but rarely acted upon. Temporary workers filled critical roles once held by trained staff. Safety drills were at a minimal, and even batteries flagged as defective kept moving down the line because halting production meant losing time, and losing time meant losing profit. It was only a matter of time before something went horribly wrong. And on June 24th of 2024, at around 10:31 a.m., that's exactly what happened. Video footage from inside the factory shows what appeared to be a relatively small spark or cell failure, followed immediately by dense white smoke and a rapid spread of fire. Workers tried to respond with extinguishers but were quickly overwhelmed. Within seconds, visibility dropped to near zero as toxic fumes filled the air. For many inside, escape became a desperate and near impossible struggle. The factory's interior, absolutely stacked with lithium cells and equipment, turned into a chaotic maze of heat and smoke. Many of the workers ran toward exits that were blocked or difficult to access, while others tried to break windows or find alternate routes through adjoining rooms. Those on the upper floors were trapped as flames climbed upward faster than anyone could react. Survivors later described hearing screams, the pounding of fists on doors, and the suffocating heat that made breathing excruciating. The fire was finally brought under control at around 3:10 p.m. after several exhausting hours. But by then, the damage was irreversible. 23 people would ultimately lose their lives. What began as a routine workday inside a battery plant ended as one of South Korea's deadliest industrial disasters in recent memory. Investigators found that the workers in the area likely succumbed to smoke inhalation and toxic fumes rather than direct burns. The sheer ferocity of the disaster gave very little time for escape. Investigators pointed to a thermal runaway type chain reaction within the lithium battery cells. Once one cell heated or failed, adjacent ones were triggered, causing a domino-like effect between all 35,000 batteries. Following the investigation, the court stated that the company had failed to ensure safety, had violated proper protocol, and had ignored dangerous quality defects while rushing to meet production deadlines. And in September of 2025, which is just last month as of writing this video, Park Soon-kwon, the CEO of Aricel, was convicted of violating South Korea's industrial safety law and received the longest jail term ever imposed under it. 15 years.